What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been about a week, but it's been a crazy week. Worked 40 hours in 4 days, and now we're back at it. We got time to film, but guess what? Like always, the weather sucks. But we're gonna make the most of it before it rains here in about 3 to 4 hours. First things first today, I got a few questions for you. Most of y'all didn't know, that is also my car. The longtime subscribers of the channel know that that's where, I started. It was that Jetta, I was making videos, not of it, but I had it in the videos that I was making. And windshield just has a sun visor on it. Windshield over here, 50% tint and a sun visor. I'm thinking I want to tint the windshield on my truck as well. So at minimum, I want to do 50% on it. However, I also think I want to go 35% on it, and that's kind of where I'm at. So in the comments below, let me know what you guys think. That leads me to my next question is, you guys know my truck is big, it's green, and what do you guys think about making it more green? In due time, after a couple years, it's gonna happen. Right between the windows is factory vinyl. Part of me loves it. The other part of me is like, the truck is so green, such a unique color. Should I take that vinyl off so it's more of, vibrant, crazy color? Yeah, part of me wants to take it off. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If not, do I just wait a couple years till, the vinyl bubbles and peels and I gotta take it off anyway? Same thing with the Jetta. Look, that's not factory vinyl, that's just black, in between them. But I was thinking about wrapping that white. But anyway, that brings us to today. If you guys watched my tuning video from a couple weeks ago, you noticed, if you watched the whole thing through, you noticed that when I was working on my turbo clamp, I had to take the wheel well out. And when I was putting it back in, I threw something in the wheel well that we're getting to the rest of it. What are you looking at? We're getting to the rest of that today, and that is Rocklights. Auxbeam was kind enough to send me an entire set for my truck, Bluetooth and all. If you guys are interested in this Rocklight kit at any point in the video, the link is in the top of the description below. I want to say thank you to Auxbeam for sending these out. So let's get down there and install the rest of them. Hey, where's my shifter? Oh wait, that's right. Dang, she's tall. Alright, so in this wheel well, you can see the placement of my two Rocklights. I don't like it when they're there and here, because you can see them. So, up here, you can't see them. From the side, you can't see them. I just don't like when you can see them. However, in the rear here, it makes me a little nervous because I don't know if this is wheel well up here, if it's solid metal up there or not. We may have to run them there and there, which won't be the worst thing in the world, but we'll see when we take the liner out. Okay, so good news, after taking out the wheel well, there is some extra space up here, so we will in fact be able to put them both top down, so that'll be neat. So we got the last remaining 3 wheel wells out. Not hard to take out at all. You can't really see on camera here, but it is starting to rain. So that's gonna hold us up a little bit here, but we're gonna get all the Rocklights in, and then hopefully the rain lets up for a few minutes so we can throw the wheel wells back in, get the wires all ran. Alright guys, about 2.5 hours to get all the fender liners out and all of, that work, black hands, I've washed them once already. Now they're dirty again. We went through that whole process just to lay the Rocklights out, and I'm like, hey, let's go from the back to the front of the truck, make sure they fit. And what do you know? These Rocklights are definitely not long enough for a crew cab short bed truck. I'm gonna give these Rocklights to Ben. If you've seen him before, he's got that Mojito Jeep, also green. I'm gonna give it to him. We'll install them sometime this weekend or sometime soon, and you guys will see that video, but they most definitely do not fit on this truck. So that's a gigantic fail. However, I went through this whole process. So in this video, we're still gonna make it up, and we're gonna do some interior lighting upgrades as well, because Auxbeam also sent me T10 bulb for the truck. So first thing first, as I noticed, is this halogen bulb right here. They sent me a package of T10 LED bulbs. The quality looks very, very good. Nice packaging. So we're going to install these and not make this video a complete fail, because we are still doing upgrades. So double fail. Upon further inspection, that is not a T10 bulb. Okay, so I know for a fact these are T10 bulbs, and I know for a fact that isn't a T10 bulb, so I need to get an LED for that. However, this is a T10, the light down here is a T10, and these are T10s. So this goes to show you that every install does not go as planned. Gotta go get some pliers to get this bulb out. Oh. All right, here we go. We messed this up too. This is just going swell. Wow, boy, that'd take an effort. Got it out. And we dropped it, now it's in between the seats. So we're gonna take the T10. I know LEDs are directional, so if this guy would stop running a wood shop out of his garage, that'd be nice. I know LEDs are directional, so we're gonna try this, hopefully the first way is the right way. Ooh, baby. It is. Look at that. How nice. Put this back in. Or not. The second one didn't even give me a single little bit of fight at all. Literally, in his garage. He's been sawing wood for hours. See if it's right. Nope. Flip it around and put it back in. There it is. Put this back in. Oh, look at that. Super, super bright. Love that. So the next challenge is this one. How to get this off. Oh. Ooh, it unscrews. Ooh, totally unscrews, I think. Maybe, maybe not. Hello. Oh, look at that. Just pops right off. There we go. All right, one more T10 to replace. And the last one here is in the glove box. I forget how you get this out. I'm gonna go with the pry technique. Gonna push in the plunger here and put the light in. See if it's the right direction as I'm getting soaking wet. Don't worry about me. Rainy day. Oh my God. Go in. There we go. Release. And we have the right way. Like I said, guys, first of all, I do need an LED bulb for that back there. I know I'm all about first. Wow, look at that lighting. Ooh, do I like that? So first of all, first things first, I want to say thank you to Auxbeam for sending out the Rocklights. And another bulb fell between the seats. Thank you to Auxbeam for sending out the lights. Sorry they would not fit on this truck. Thing's too darn long for the Rocklights to fit. However, it's a great lesson for you know, all of you. Things don't always go the way, you know, don't always go as planned. Don't let it get you down. You know, make it a learning experience. And you know, installing things and doing things yourself is a learning experience in itself, and that's what the best part about it is. You know, I say thank you to Auxbeam for sending those out, but more importantly, also thank you to Auxbeam for sending out these lights. And I'm just gonna complete the set now. I'm gonna get some, if anyone knows the bulb size for that, post it in the comments below. And it's the tube ones, and it's also should be the one under the hood. They're super bright. I'll put a link in the description below. That's for sure. And here, white light, man, does that look good. So, ooh, it looks good, and it just looks so much, you know, cleaner in here. It just looks like a new age, new style, as you know, as the thunder rolls in. The video isn't uploaded, and I'm, you know, uploaded at a reasonable time. That means I've been stuck in this truck for a couple hours. Somebody bring me an umbrella, and yeah, it's starting, you know, it's starting to flood already. I want to say thank you to Auxbeam for sending these out. These lights are freaking great, man. Look at that. I am super excited about these. Can't wait to get my ones installed for the back and under the hood to complete this. And also we'll be installing those rock lights will not go to waste. We'll be installing them on Ben's Jeep more than likely very, very soon. I'll put a link in the description below to the light bulbs and the rock lights. But make it a learning experience, guys. That's the only way to learn in life. If you were to go and pay someone to do it, first things first, you learn nothing. You don't have any experience. You just show up, give them the money, you get your product returned. Sometimes that's great if you're short on time, stuff like that. But little weekend projects, not bad at all. And like I said, gigantic fail today. Went through all of that. First things first, measure, just like people say, measure twice, cut once. Just like lift kits, make sure all your parts are there before you start. Rocklights, I said, make sure the wires are long enough before you start, because took all the wheel wells out, took a couple hours. Get everything set up, ready to go, and there we are, did not fit. But I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. And I'm ordering up a lot of mods, more than likely this weekend. So we'll be getting those and pumping those out very, very, very soon. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. And just a reminder, some things always don't go as planned. So, to make it a learning experience, don't get down on yourself. And yeah, man. So stay tuned. Lots of mods I'm ordering this weekend. Yeah. So take care. I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't been here before, shoot this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.